Scientific benefits of olive oil, especially for men. Heart health. Monounsaturated fatty acid magic. Extra virgin olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fatty acids, MUFA, particularly oleic acid. MUFAs have been shown to lower bad LDL cholesterol while raising good HDL cholesterol, improve blood vessel function and reduce inflammation, reduce the risk of heart disease, stroke and type 2 diabetes. Antioxidant powerhouse. Oleic acid, these potent antioxidants combat free radical damage and inflammation throughout the body, may reduce the risk of chronic disease like cancer, heart disease and Alzheimer's, may improve cognitive function and memory. Men-specific benefits. Sperm health. Studies suggest MUFAs in extra virgin olive oil may improve sperm motility, movement and morphology, that is shape, potentially enhancing fertility. Testosterone boost. Some evidence suggests extra virgin olive oil may help maintain healthy testosterone levels, crucial for male sexual health and overall well-being. Prostate health. Extra virgin olive oil's anti-inflammatory properties may be protective against prostate cancer. However, more research is needed. Scientific benefits of olive oil, especially for women. Hormonal balance. Estrogen regulation. Extra virgin olive oils, MUFAs, may help regulate estrogen levels, potentially reducing the risk of hormone-related conditions like polycystic ovary syndrome and endometriosis. Bone health. The antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties in extra virgin olive oil may protect against bone loss, maintain bone density, and support overall bone health, especially crucial for women as they age. Skin and hair health. Antioxidant glow. Extra virgin olive oil's antioxidants like oleic acid protect skin cells from free radical damage, reducing wrinkles, age spots, and dryness. Moisture magic. Extra virgin olive oil's moisturizing properties can nourish and hydrate skin, leaving it supple and radiant. It can also be used as natural hair conditioner, promoting shine and strength. Other benefits. Digestion. Olive oil can act as natural laxative, aiding digestion and relieving constipation. Blood sugar control. Moderate olive oil intake may help regulate blood sugar and improve insulin sensitivity. Skin health. Extra virgin olive oil's antioxidants and moisturizing properties may benefit skin health and reduce the appearance of wrinkles. Important points. Moderation is key. 2 tablespoons per day is generally considered moderate, but adjust based on your individual needs and caloric intake. Types of olive oil. Olive oil comes in several grades, each with distinct qualities and uses. Extra virgin olive oil. The highest quality, extracted solely by mechanical means from fresh, unripe olives. Virgin olive oil, similar to extra virgin olive oil but with slightly lower quality and a less intense flavor. Refined olive oil, made by refining virgin olive oil to remove impurities and acidity, resulting in a neutral flavor and odor. Olive pomace oil, extracted from leftover pulp after virgin olive production using solvents of heat. Blended olive oil, mix of different olive oil types, often combining refined oil with virgin oil for specific flavor or price point. Identifying adulterated olive oil. It can be difficult for consumers to detect adulteration, but some clues might raise suspicion. Unnatural low price. Extra virgin olive oil is a premium product and its price reflects the quality. Significantly lower prices might indicate adulteration. Bland flavor and aroma. Genuine extra virgin olive oil should have a fruity, fresh aroma and taste. High smoke point. Extra virgin olive oil has a moderate smoke point, so if an olive oil claims to high smoke point, it might be refined or blended. Subscribe and check out these cool videos.